Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th March 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Euro USD, 0.82% negative move, 1.14160 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So let's check out our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 2144 level, which is indicating us a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you're interested to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can use the link given in the description where I don't share any pre-recorded videos. I directly give you a Zoom link, which is a live link where I directly teach you one-on-one session of how to trade. So if you're interested, do contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can even comment down below so that I can share the number with you. Currently, if I talk about the closing in Euro USD, then Euro USD has a closing of 1.14160. Here the direct support is 1.13694, direct resistance is 1.14165. After direct support, there is a support of 1.13158 and then 1.12803. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.14583 and then 1.15079. Here the direct resistance is very much close to the closing of the previous week. So here we need to see if there is a big gap up or gap down opening. Before that, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, do use the link given in the description. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you think that these prop firms has a very strict rules, so you can also try the real or the live account where you directly fund your own Forex account. I have also given a link of the broker, which is GTCFX, where you can directly fund your Forex account where you can get up to 200x of leverage. You can also use the platform like MT4 and MT5 on those brokers. So you can try GTCFX. Link is given in the description. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 1.14165 to 1.14583. If there is even a slight positive closing, then we can expect a positive closing for this week. But remember, if there is a gap down opening, then only we go for a short trade once this level, which is direct support, which is 1.13694, gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, then and only we will go for a short trade till this level. But if there is a gap up opening or a slight gap up opening or a sideways opening, then we will only go for a trade once 1.14165 is breached and also 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long till this level. Even this level gets breached, then you can go for a long till this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my lesson, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.